If any of y'all use Davinci Resolve, they now have subtitles on the free public beta. Go to blackmagic.com, download their public beta 18.5, go into Davinci, put any video in, edit it just like you would any other way, and it literally uses an AI algorithm to put subtitles for exactly what you're saying, and it is accurate. To set this up inside Davinci Resolve, after you've edited your video, right-click above the video track on the timeline, go to Add Subtitle Track. Then come up to Timeline, go down to Create Subtitles from Audio. It'll ask you how many characters you want per line. I like about 15 to 16 for a TikTok. Click Create. It's going to initialize, it's going to analyze, and boom! Done. Done! I couldn't even get the fucking sentence out. And look how accurate this is. Any of y'all use Davinci Resolve? They now have subtitles on the free public beta. Go to blackmagic.com. You're watching this TikTok inside of this TikTok!